Welcome back to Crypto Mash Podcast April 2023 edition, Episode 6. Elon Musk developing AI startup to rival OpenAI. In a move to expand his footprint in the AI industry, tech entrepreneur Elon Musk is reportedly creating a startup to rival one of his own previous ventures, OpenAI. According to the Financial Times, Musk is putting together a team of AI researchers and engineers to develop a new AI company that will compete with OpenAI. While Musk resigned from the board of OpenAI in 2018, the launch of his new AI startup will put him in direct competition with other tech giants like Google and Microsoft. The report also suggests that Musk is in talks with investors, including existing supporters of SpaceX and Tesla, for investment in the new AI venture. According to a source, a bunch of people are investing in it. It's real and they are excited about it. This revelation follows a recent report stating that Musk procured almost 10,000 graphics processing units to power Twitter's AI initiatives. On March 9, Musk also incorporated a company named XAI, which he listed as the sole director. He changed the name of Twitter to X Corp in company filings as part of his plans to create an everything app under the X brand. Interestingly, despite Musk's involvement in AI development, he and over 2,600 other tech leaders and researchers signed an open letter on March 30 calling for a temporary halt on further AI development due to profound risk to society and humanity. In the broader context of AI competition, Amazon Web Services, AWS, has also recently launched its Amazon Bedrock initiative. This will allow AWS users to build generative AI from foundation models. Overall, Musk's new AI venture will undoubtedly be one to watch in the coming months. As one of the most well-known and influential tech entrepreneurs of our time, his latest AI startup will undoubtedly capture the attention of the industry and the wider public. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest news and insights on cryptocurrency, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for even more exclusive content and real-time updates, join our thriving Telegram community by clicking the link below. We'd love to have you on board and share in the excitement of this rapidly evolving industry. Leave your questions in the comments section and take care. See you in the next video.